Meanwhile, Nepal and India are planning to build at least 5 cross-border transmission lines in order to generate at least 16,000 megawatts of power by 2035. Now, to lay the groundwork, the energy secretaries of Nepal and India are meeting in New Delhi on Tuesday. Nepal Secretary at the Ministry of Energy, Water Resources and Irrigation, Suresh Acharya, left for New Delhi on Monday as the head of a 12-member delegation to take part in the meeting. Now, the meeting is expected to come up with a roadmap for constructing various cross-border transmission lines. These lines will facilitate export of 16,000 megawatt of energy to India and Bangladesh. Now, after the emission lines are completed, Nepal will export more energy to Bangladesh via India. At present, Nepal supplies 40 megawatt of energy to Bangladesh. With India committing to purchase up to 10,000 megawatt of power from Nepal over the next decade under a long-term trade agreement, the need for high-capacity transmission lines has become increasingly pressing. Additionally, work is progressing on the new Batwal-Gorakhpur transmission line, which will have a capacity of 3,500 megawatt. Now, this project is jointly inaugurated by then Nepal Prime Minister Pushpa Kamal Dahal and Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi in June 2023. And for more on this, our correspondent Saloni Murarka has sent us this report from Kathmandu. Take a look.
India and Nepal are set to finalize the construction model for the cross-border transmission lines for Nepal to export 16,000 megawatt energy to India and then on to Bangladesh. Currently, Nepal exports 40 megawatts to Bangladesh via Indian grid. This trade was made possible after a historic trilateral agreement took place in October 2024 that enabled Nepal to trade with a third country outside of India. Well, a secretary-level meeting that is scheduled to take place in New Delhi. The officials will also discuss on the high-capacity transmission lines after India committed of buying 10,000 megawatt of energy from Nepal over the next 1 decade. Experts have warned that Nepal's vast hydropower potential will remain underutilized without proper cross-border transmission lines, particularly with India. Nepal aims to produce over 28,000 megawatt energy by 2035 to reduce the trade deficit. Saloni Murarka for WION World is One in Kathmandu, Nepal.